Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Good, thanks.
What is your name?
My name is Tom. What's your name?
I am Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from Spain.
Do you like living here?
Yes, I love it. The people are very friendly.
What do you do, Anna?
I am a teacher. What about you?
I am a student.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
That sounds interesting.
How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I am 25 years old. And you?
I am 22.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like playing football and reading books. What about you?
I like cooking and traveling.
That's great.
It was nice meeting you, Tom.
Nice meeting you too. See you later.
Goodbye.
Bye. Take care.